need a cardboard, cotton pads, glue, a dropper, paper plate, some food coloring, water, markers, and scissors. Let's get started. First, let's draw a triangle on the cardboard. Then, let's cut it out. Once you've cut out your cone, use a marker and draw thin lines. Apply some glue on the cotton pads and place the pads onto the paper plate. Now, let's use the dropper and drip some water onto the cotton pads. Now, let's use the dropper and drop some food coloring onto the wet cotton pads. Now let's use some green. Now let's go in with some pink. Lastly, let's finish off with some red. Now let's put some glue on your cone.